Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into reverse psychology, 13 lessons on how to use rejection to your favor. Marcus Aurelius Stoicism, with lots of interesting and useful information. Let's get started. 1. Turn rejection into motivation. Rejection is not the end, it's an opportunity for you to break through. Every time you face rejection, instead of feeling defeated, view it as motivation to prove your worth. Marcus Aurelius faced countless challenges, but he learned to use adversity to strengthen his spirit. When rejected, rather than letting negative emotions take over, ask yourself, how can I improve and do better? This is how you turn rejection into a learning opportunity. Think of rejection as a wall, not to knock you down, but to help you find a way to overcome it. Each time you push through this challenge, you'll grow stronger, and it will fuel your determination to keep moving forward. By changing your perspective on rejection, you not only master your emotions, but also accelerate your personal growth. Never let rejection stop you. Use it as fuel to go further and become the best version of yourself. 2. Silence. When overlooked. When you're overlooked, instead of reacting quickly or getting angry, silence can be the most powerful response. Marcus Aurelius teaches us that sometimes there's no need to speak. Just remain silent to assert your worth and protect your self-respect. Silence helps you maintain calm, ensuring that your emotions don't dictate your actions. When being overlooked or rejected, instead of seeking recognition from others, focus on maintaining your inner peace. Silence is a sign of inner strength, showing that you don't need anyone's approval to affirm your own value. Use silence as an opportunity for self-reflection, to focus on your goals and on what truly matters to you. While others may expect a reaction from you, your silence is the strongest way to preserve your dignity and determination. 3. Maintain self-respect by keeping distance. When you're rejected or treated disrespectfully, keeping your distance is a way to show self-respect. Never let yourself fall into the trap of chasing others' approval. Marcus Aurelius believed that self-respect isn't something granted by others, but something we maintain ourselves. Keeping distance doesn't mean being cold or indifferent. It's a way to protect yourself from negative influences and assert your worth. When you choose to maintain distance, you're not only protecting your mind, but also sending a clear message that you deserve respect. Sometimes, distance is the only way to preserve your inner peace and recharge your energy. Remember, you don't need to prove yourself to anyone. Your confidence and unwavering self-worth will naturally attract respect from those around you. 4. Make time for yourself. In a world full of demands and expectations from others, taking time for yourself is an essential action to maintain both mental and physical health. Marcus Aurelius once said that in order to serve others better, you must first know how to nurture and develop yourself. When faced with rejection or feeling unrecognized, instead of sinking into disappointment, use this time to refresh yourself. Time for yourself not only helps you recharge, but also allows you to reassess your goals and life direction. It's a time when you can find peace to develop new skills, read, or simply do things that bring you joy. Making time for yourself is a long-term investment in your growth and personal happiness. When you learn to love and take care of yourself, you'll face challenges and rejection with greater strength and confidence. 5. Focus on personal growth. When you face rejection, don't let it derail you. Instead of letting negativity take over, see it as an opportunity to focus on developing yourself. Marcus Aurelius always reminded us that personal growth is the only path to excellence, regardless of the challenges we face. Personal development isn't just about acquiring new skills, it's also about improving your mindset, emotions, and actions. When facing rejection, use this time to practice patience, confidence, and resilience. Set clear personal goals, build positive habits, and consistently work on improving yourself each day. Rejection cannot defeat you if you know how to use it as a foundation for personal growth. Instead of stopping, keep moving forward, focusing on what you can control and growing stronger than ever. 6. Handling rejection strategically. When you face rejection, instead of letting disappointment overwhelm you, use a strategy to handle it intelligently. Marcus Aurelius once said, "Every challenge carries within it an opportunity for growth." When rejected, it's crucial not to let emotions cloud your reason. Handling rejection strategically means viewing it as an opportunity for improvement. First, stay calm and avoid reacting immediately. Reflect on why you were rejected and learn from the experience. This is not the end, but a signal to help you better understand yourself and what needs to be improved. Sometimes rejection is a chance to change your strategy and direction. See it as a test of your creativity and perseverance. From there, you can adjust your actions, improve your skills, and better prepare for upcoming opportunities. Rejection is not failure. It is part of the journey of growth. 7. Stay calm in the face of rejection. When faced with rejection, our first instinct is often disappointment or anger. However, Marcus Aurelius teaches us that calmness is the key to overcoming any challenge in life. When you remain calm in the face of rejection, you not only protect your mental state, but also demonstrate your inner strength. Remaining calm does not mean suppressing your emotions or ignoring your disappointment. In fact, acknowledging and understanding your feelings is the way to control them. When facing rejection, take a few seconds to breathe deeply, view the situation objectively, and respond rationally. Calmness helps you avoid missing opportunities and maintain self-respect, rather than falling into a cycle of negative emotions. When you stay calm, you will find it easier to determine the next course of action, rather than allowing rejection to make you hesitate. How you respond in this crucial moment will shape your growth and ability to overcome challenges in the future. 8. Thoughtful reactions. When faced with rejection, how you react can significantly impact the next steps. Instead of rushing into a response or acting out of emotion, maintaining a thoughtful reaction is key to preserving your peace and self-control. Marcus Aurelius advises that in any challenging situation, it is crucial to control your reaction and not let negative emotions take over. A thoughtful reaction does not mean suppressing your emotions, but rather taking deliberate actions without allowing your feelings to cloud your judgment. When you experience rejection, take time to assess the situation objectively. Ask yourself, why am I feeling this way? What can I learn from this rejection? Sometimes, rejection presents an opportunity for self-reflection and growth. The way you respond is how you assert yourself and build respect from others. Always remember, a careful response not only helps you maintain your self-respect, but also opens up opportunities for personal development and improvement. 9. Affirming your value through action. When faced with rejection, how you respond can have a significant impact on the outcome. Instead of reacting impulsively or acting out of emotion, maintaining a measured response is crucial to preserving your peace and self-control. Marcus Aurelius advises that in every difficult situation, it is essential to control your response and not let negative emotions take over. A thoughtful response doesn't mean suppressing your emotions, but involves acting with intention and not allowing feelings to overwhelm your reason. When rejected, take time to assess the situation objectively. Ask yourself, why do I feel this way? What can I learn from this rejection? Sometimes rejection offers an opportunity for self-reflection and growth. How you react is how you assert your value and build respect from others. Always remember, a thoughtful response not only helps you maintain self-respect but also opens doors for growth and personal development. 10. Using reverse psychology. Reverse psychology is a powerful tool that can turn rejection into an advantage. Instead of feeling discouraged by indifference or lack of recognition, you can use it to alter how others perceive you. Marcus Aurelius once said, "When life doesn't respond to you, use your silence and resistance to show your strength." When faced with rejection, instead of reacting in the usual way, apply reverse psychology by doing the opposite of what others expect. When rejected, don't try to apologize or explain yourself. Instead, stand your ground and show that the rejection doesn't make you weaker, but in fact, makes you stronger. Silence, rather than being a sign of weakness, can be a strategy to make others rethink and reassess their attitude toward you. By not responding the way they expect, you take back control and assert that you don't need their recognition to feel proud of who you are. 11. Building positive relationships. When faced with rejection, one of the best ways to maintain positivity is by building and nurturing relationships with those who support you. Marcus Aurelius pointed out that we cannot grow alone. We need connections and support from those around us. When rejected, instead of isolating yourself, seek out those who can encourage your growth. Positive relationships are not about seeking validation, but about creating an environment where you can learn, grow, and support each other. Take time to nurture relationships with like-minded individuals who can motivate you, help you overcome the challenges and rejections you face. When surrounded by positive people, they will help you maintain your confidence and provide the motivation to keep moving forward. A good relationship not only makes you feel valued, but it also helps you see rejection in a more positive light, as an opportunity to learn and grow. 12. Controlling emotions. Emotional control is one of the most important skills when facing rejection. Instead of letting emotions take over, Marcus Aurelius advises us to take control of our reactions and remain calm. Rejection can stir up negative emotions like disappointment, anger, or self-doubt. But the key is to acknowledge and manage these feelings. When you feel rejected, instead of letting negative emotions overwhelm you, take time to reflect and ask yourself, where is this feeling coming from? What can I learn from this situation? This is how you turn rejection into an opportunity for growth. Controlling your emotions not only helps you maintain inner peace, but also allows you to respond more wisely. Once you learn to control your emotions, you'll no longer let external circumstances affect your mood too much. You'll become stronger, more confident, and better able to handle rejection without losing your self-respect or sense of purpose. 13. Self-worth is not defined by rejection. When faced with rejection, the most important thing is to maintain your self-worth. The rejection of others cannot diminish your true value. Marcus Aurelius teaches that the value of a person is not dependent on the recognition or judgment of others. In fact, you are the one who determines your own worth. When you understand and believe in your own value, rejection no longer has the power to hurt you. It's just a part of the journey, not the end. If you are confident in your abilities and what you can achieve, rejection won't make you lose faith in yourself. Your self-worth is not affected by rejections or the lack of acknowledgement from others. That's why it's crucial to maintain self-respect and belief in yourself. When you uphold these principles, nothing can knock you down, and you will remain steadfast on your path forward. Exactly. Every instance of rejection is not a failure, but an opportunity to reinforce and assert your self-worth. By applying the lessons from Marcus Aurelius, you can transform rejection into motivation, helping you grow stronger and more confident on your journey. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to hit like and share the video with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more valuable lessons. Together, we will not only overcome rejection, but also move forward, becoming the best version of ourselves.